I'm here at ITF2024 and I saw a place to take pictures. Evelien, what's this?
So this is a photo booth where we can measure two people at the same time, and we make a photo, but we also measure the heart rate of both individuals.
You measure the heart rate?
Yes.
How do you do that?
So we have a SPECKLE sensor, which is using a laser light, and that shines on the face of the people. And then we detect both the face with the camera, and we also detect the heart rate from the speckle pattern that the laser produces on the face.
In the speckle pattern, what wavelength do you use for the laser?
So it's an infrared 830 wavelength.
Eye safe completely, or should I be worried about?
No, it's eye safe. So we do check indeed every morning, and even if you touch your eye, the screen, it will be safe. So no worries.
Can we try together?
Yes, of course.
Let's go inside and let's measure our heart rate and our picture using a speckle sensor. So I sit over here.
Yes.
And this is our face. We sit here and we see our faces.
Yes. So
and now what's going to happen?
I need to press start. Then we need to wait for 10 seconds. And we say cheese.
Cheese.
And now you get a picture where every face it has a rectangle which is detected, and in that rectangle we measure your heart rate. So now you see that your heart rate is very relaxed. You're 60 beats per minute, and mine as well. So I'm
not as relaxed as you.
No.
Wow. And you're measuring this with the speckle sensor.
Yes, indeed.
What is the future of this technology? How do you want to take it to the next step?
So there are different applications we envision. So first of all, it's for the clinical application. For example, measuring people in a hospital, that they don't need to have all the electrodes attached to their body, but also, for example, for neonatal care, which have a very fragile skin. That's one of the applications, the medical domain. But also, for example, we are searching for other application domains like the automotive or other places where it's maybe relevant to measure somebody's vital signs, if they're still capable of driving or these kind of things.
You told us before that you do quite a lot of testing to make sure this technology is eye safe.
Yes.
When you take it to the medical market, are there strong regulatory problems to take it?
No, I think the regulatory problems, for example, on the laser safety, they are the same for the automotive as well as the medical field. So that's not a big difference. I think just that you might need to change the way of working, and that's a bigger challenge within the medical field, because they have a certain way of working, and if you interrupt that way of working, then there is a lot of pushback, let's say. So that's more a challenge, I think.
You said about applications in automotive. Could you tell us a few of those?
Yeah. So one of the applications would be that they currently have let's say the autonomous driving, right? So, but that's not, let's say, up to the level that you can really be autonomous the car. So it's typically autonomous, for example, on a highway. But then at one moment they need to be able to give back the control to the driver, and then you need to know, is this person capable of measuring driving, or is he asleep, or is he maybe not well? So this is one application where you want to understand how is the person doing, is he capable of driving at the moment, and then you can give back the control to the driver.
Evelien, what is your role at imec? What do you do here? So
I'm a principal scientist, and I'm working as a biomedical engineer. So I'm really trying to bridge the technology, the core technology of imec to the application, and for my case, it's the medical domain.
Yeah, I'm very excited about this SPECKLE sensor. I look forward to catching up with you in upcoming ITFs, but congratulations on this demo, but most important, how this demo is going to make a difference on the medical market.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Oh, that was fantastic. I really enjoyed it. That was really wow.